Hi farmers, I'm Gary. Today we're at WUHLF Equipment talking to Rikus. Hi Rikus.
Hi Gary, thank you for coming to us today.
So tell us, what are some of your most popular equipment?
Hi Gary, our most popular equipment would probably be our JX-450 4x4 TLB.
Like the one behind us?
Like the one here behind us. This machine is packed with power. It comes standardly with a 75 kilowatt 4-cylinder diesel engine. It's standard, it comes with a 1 cube front bucket and it can pick up 2,500 kilograms with a lifting height of 3.4 meters.
So Rikus, tell us more about the additional fittings that come with this machine.
So there is a few additional extras that we can supply for you with this machine. The most popular one amongst our farmers is the 4-in-1 or the 6-in-1 front bucket. Additionally, we can put on forks for you so you can move around pallets, that type of thing, in and around the farm. At the back we can assist you guys with a trenching bucket. That's always good when you're doing foundations, that type of thing on the farm. And that's basically it. There is a lot of other applications as well that we can assist you guys with attachments. I highly recommend you to get in contact with us for that.
So Rikus, tell me, with these equipment pieces that make this machine so versatile, are those options available aftermarket? So can you buy them from WUHLF at a later stage, or do you have to buy the whole pack at once?
So it's easier if you buy the whole pack at once, but later on, let's say application wise, if you have to do something on the farm, you need a trenching bucket, you need a 4-in-1 bucket to load certain type of materials, you can buy it afterwards. Yes, and we stock all of those attachments.
Okay, great. And tell me, do we only have this model, or do you have other versions of this model available?
So this is our fast mover, and it's also the biggest TLB that we are doing in the market now. But then I also have a mini TLB. It's my compact TLB, and that's more for your smaller or your light duty type of construction work in and around the farm. And it comes with a smaller engine, but it's also packed with power.
All right, Rikus, could you perhaps elaborate a little bit more on the backhoe of this TLB?
Definitely. Gary, so what we have here is your standard backhoe bucket. This bucket's capacity is 0.3 cubes.
Yes.
We do have a smaller one for your trenches, like I explained. So that's on the backhoe side, which has to done with your bucket. The breakout force on this bucket is 3,800 Newton meters. So it's a strong backhoe.
Yes.
It has a hydraulic side shifter at the back, so if you need to move your backhoe from left to right while you are digging,
move it from left to right.
Basically from left to right, you can center it. It's not like your other TLBs in the market that's only centered.
So that's unique to this
machine, yes.
So Rikus, what else would you want to tell me about this machine?
Gary, if I can show you here, also a big selling point is on our front axle. Yes. We have solid bearings and not bushes, so you're guaranteed to get maximum hours out of service life out of your front axle.
All right.
That's very important nowadays, or most of the time the guys put in bushes in the front, and it's so much better if you have a solid bearing. So our TLBs, the front axle comes with a solid bearing. It just gives you so much higher service life. Okay. If we move a bit further on, this is the bucket that I told you guys about. This is our general purpose bucket in which the TLB will come if you buy it standardly. Okay. But there is a rock bucket also as an option, a 4-in-1 bucket, a 6-in-1 bucket for different applications. And also what we do for farmers is, because we have an engineering team here as well at WUHLF Equipment, we'll weld on pallet forks for you here at the additional cost, and then you can use it as a pallet as well as a forklift to move around pallets in and around your farm. So it's a versatile machine. You can use it and you'll get all the work done on your farm.
So the versatility of this product is what makes it your best seller?
Definitely, it makes us our best seller, and then also it's very price competitive in the market.
Okay.
But what separates us also from the rest in South Africa is we provide a full mechanical warranty, we have field services, and a superior parts backup. So definitely you are in good hands.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Rikus. Thanks for taking the time to talk us through this JX450.
Always a pleasure. Thank you guys so much for coming out to WUHLF.